Welcome to DJ's Preston Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Scirocco R-Line. It's the 2 litre TDI, quite rare these are. Lovely condition. Upgraded alloy wheels, graphite grey metallic, privacy glass to the rear. With the eye you've got the deeper, bigger rear diffuser, the R-Line body styling kit. It's got rear park distance control. It really is in lovely condition, as you can see. Boot area is nice with the parcel shelf. This does have the lovely full leather interior, the white stitch piping, in lovely condition. Does not look like it's age or mileage, this car. Electric windows, electric mirrors. To 110, 200, but it doesn't drive anything like it, doesn't look like it. Starts lovely, all your turbo bars, all pressure, all your media system here.
Yeah, you do.
3-stage heated seats, satellite navigation, park distance control, media pack, DAB, Bluetooth connectivity, R-Line steering wheel, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel. There's just no wear on it anywhere. Absolutely in lovely condition. DJH were full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.